The UNC student who spilled her own blood and paint on the Silent Sam monument now has sanctions handed down from the school. Her punishment, a written warning and 18 hours of community service. The decision came down just moments ago after a 2-day honor court proceeding that the student in question left in the middle of, stating she wasn't being given a fair trial. Our Spectrum News reporter Ian Dembling joins us now from outside of the student union on UNC's campus. Ian, you spent the last 2 days in the court proceedings. What did you learn?
I did, Tara. The last 2 days angered Maya Little and her dozens of supporters who have been here at the student union defending her. They argue that they're not only upset about the verdict, they're also questioning the entire honor court proceedings, especially after they decided that the honor court proceedings would continue after one of the board members who was deciding Maya Little's fate was called into question. Now, on Thursday, the honor court members introduced themselves, at which time Little's supporters did some research to find out that one of the board members, Frank Pray, had posted comments on social media and was even interviewed several times on Spectrum News, discussing his interest in keeping the Silent Sam monument and condemning those who want it taken away. At the start of Friday's open session, presiding officer Amelia Ahrens made it clear she would be allowing Pray to continue, since she says his past opinions on the statue don't dictate whether or not he would be an impartial decision maker in this case. That's when Maya Little got up and left.
You're not to sanction me, and at this point I will walk out. He admitted to deleting comments yesterday at the outset of my trial in order to appear less political for the sake of his law career. Yes. If I am to believe that the honor court is giving me my rights as a student, why would they not inform me about panel members before today?
Stand with Maya! Stand with Maya! Stand with Maya!
Maya Little did not return to honor court for the rest of the day, but per UNC disciplinary rules, the honor court was allowed to continue without her. The honor court had the option to sanction her by giving her probation, suspension, or could even expel her from the UNC system altogether. Instead, they chose to give her a minimal sanction with 18 hours of community service to be completed by January. Little has the option to petition for further review if she submits a written letter to the chancellor. If there is factual basis for an appeal, the university's hearing board will need to take action. If they determine there is not, there's still a 3-member appellate review board that will look into the matter. But if that review board determines there is no basis for an appeal at that time, Maya Little's determination will stand and her sanctions will be in place. For now, at UNC Chapel Hill, Ian Dembling, Spectrum News.